Hello.
Oh. Yeah.
Green. Leaf is green. Parrot is green. Cucumber is green. Caterpillar is green. Tree is green. Watermelon is green. Green leaf. Green parrot. Green cucumber. Green caterpillar. Green tree. Green watermelon. Hey kids, I am Lucas.
Can you laugh with me?
Purple. Eggplant is purple. Orchids are purple. Yarn is purple. Kite is purple. Turnip is purple. Lollipop is purple. Purple eggplant. Purple orchids. Purple yarn. Purple kite. Purple turnip. Purple lollipop. Red. Apple is red. Fire truck is red. Rose is red. Car is red. Strawberry is red. Red chili is red. Red apple. Red fire truck. Red rose. Red car. Red strawberry. Red chili.
Fantastic!
Black. Crow is black. Spider is black. Gorilla is black. Sheep is black. Umbrella is black. Tire is black. Black crow. Black. Spider. Black. Gorilla. Black. Sheep. Black. Umbrella. Black. Tire. Pink. Donut is pink. Flamingo is pink. Cupcake is pink. Pig is pink. Octopus is pink. Flower is pink. Pink donut. Pink flamingo. Pink cupcake. Pink pig. Pink octopus. Pink flower.
Hello, my friend. Celebration for you! Bye-bye!
White. Milk is white. Swan is white. Polar bear is white. Dove is white. Snowman is white. Egg is white. White milk. White swan. White polar bear. White dove. White snowman. White egg. Yellow. Banana is yellow. Cheese is yellow. Mango is yellow. Sun is yellow. Duck is yellow. Sunflower is yellow. Yellow banana. Yellow cheese. Yellow mango. Yellow sun. Yellow duck. Yellow sunflower. Orange. Carrot is orange. Goldfish is orange. Pumpkin is orange. Jelly is orange. Basketball is orange. Popsicle is orange. Orange. Carrot. Orange. Goldfish. Orange. Pumpkin. Orange. Jelly. Orange. Basketball. Orange. Popsicle. Brown. Chocolate is brown. Acorn is brown. Cookies are brown. Bear is brown. Box is brown. Monkey is brown. Brown chocolate. Brown acorn. Brown cookies. Brown bear. Brown box. Brown monkey. Blue. Dolphin is blue. Blueberries are blue. Jeans is blue. Blue jay is blue. Hat is blue. Bucket is blue. Blue dolphin. Blue blueberries. Blue jeans. Blue jay. Blue hat. Blue bucket. Gray. T-shirt is gray. Whale is gray. Koala is gray. Socks is gray. Cat is gray. Sofa is gray. Gray T-shirt. Gray whale. Gray koala. Gray socks. Gray cat. Gray sofa.
Yeah! Hey, kiddos and parents! Hope you enjoyed the video!
Can you subscribe to our channel and hit that like button? It really, really, really helps recommend our video to other parents on YouTube. Bye-bye!
Hey, Ruby! Wait for me! Bye-bye! Surprise! We're back! Thanks for watching! Can you give me a big smile before I leave?